we're going to do square roots and cubic roots. So every time you have a square root, this is the same thing as having 1/2 as an exponent. Actually, square roots are exponents, cubic roots are exponents. Any roots are exponents. So if I were to have the third root, this will be an exponent of 1/3. For example, if I have the square root of 100, this is the same thing as having 10 to the second power and then to the 1/2. This is exponent to an exponent is 10 to the 2/2, which is equals 10 to the 1, and this will be, yes, 10. Now, if I were to have a square root of 49, this is the same thing as having 7 to the second power and then to the 1/2, which will be 7 to the 2/2 equals 7 to the 1, which is just 7. Or 7 times 7 is 49. That's why the square root of 49 is 7. If I were to have square root of 36, this is the same thing as having 6 to the second power and then to the 1/2, which is 6 to the 2/2, which is equals 6 to the 1, and 6 to the 1 is just 6. Now, if I were to have the third root of 1000, this is 10 to the third power, 1, 2, 3, 10 to the third power, and then to the 1/3. This is the same thing as having 10 to the 3/3 and 10 to the 1, and it will be just 10. Now, if I were to have square root 27 to the third power, this is the same thing as having 3 times 3 times 3. That will be 27. So this is the same thing as having 3 to the third power and then to the 1/3. So this will be the same thing as having 3 to the 3/3, which is just 3 to the 1, and this will be just 3. Now, if I were to have the third root of 8, this is the same thing as having 2 to the third power, which is 2 to the third power, and then the third root is 1/3. So 2 to the 3/3, and this is 2 to the 1, which is 2.